All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, about mining the coin, staking the coin, buying the coin, watching the coin, seeing what it's doing, investing in the coin, also using that credit card from BlockFi credit card and getting rewards back in Bitcoin. So all kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. Today we're going to be talking about a coin over 2,900 on Coin Market, Hamster Coin. You're not going to believe this, over 700%. Over a 700% increase in the last 7 days. So we're bringing this to you way deep on that list. These are the kind of coins, the things that people are looking for. And one of my favorites, remember the Shiba Inu, how they were talking about Xing out one of the zeros and they had 5 zeros? This coin has 8 zeros. 8 zeros. So you know what? It's going to be pretty interesting talking about this coin. 700% up in the last 7 days. So we're going to dig into this, go to the website, all kinds of good information on Hamster Coin today, cryptocurrency. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So I don't know if you saw yesterday on Sunday, all those ads on Tom Brady talking about cryptocurrency, what he's getting into. Guess what? More and more people are getting into cryptocurrency. These kind of coins with 8 zeros in between, when they start crushing zeros, you want to be one of the first people to know about it. So this is going to be big. So let's go ahead and jump over to Hamster Coin. So the first thing over here at Coin Market, usually we're going through the top 10, top 20, AMP coins at 50, this coin is at $29.59. Take a look at this. Coin Market, $29.59 Hamster. It's HAM is how you look it up. There's 8 zeros in this. Look at that. In the last 7 days, there's a 740% increase. 740% increase in the last week. Okay. In the last 24 hours, this coin is up 37%. So we click it here and look at these zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 47. So there's 8 zeros here. We're way early on this coin. We're going to be talking about this coin for months and months to come. Definitely bringing you all kinds of things. Over here, you can kind of explore. You got your white paper. You can check it out. The currency. I'm taking a look down here in the last 3 months. I mean, look at right there. This coin is just going up. So it says the live hamster price today is, again, the 78.47 with 8 zeros in front of it, USD and 24-hour trading volume. We updated our ham to USD prices in real time. Hamster is up 46% in the last 24 hours. I mean, I kind of like the 700 and some percent in the last 7 days because, again, that's just amazing. But I do like that. I do like 46% up in the last 24 hours. The current coin market ranking is 29.49. With live market cap, it is not available. The circulation supply is not even available. I have a max supply of a lot. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to Hamster's website, dig into this a little bit. Over here at Hamster's Coin website, we're going to go through a couple things here. I think this is exciting. Anything that's got a 700% increase. Don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes only here on Frank's Crypto Corner. So first thing, what's it listed on? Well, it's on Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko. Obviously, if you click the CoinGecko, right there, I already did. There it is listed on CoinGecko. It's got the same 8 zeros. You can buy and sell it. Pretty interesting. It's got all the stats. It's got the charts in the last 24 hours, last 7 days. Take a look how it's going up. We love the coins that are going up. We talk about AMP coin. We talk about Shiba Inu. I think the hamster is going to be a conversation here for the next 30 to 60 to 90 days. We're all going to get familiar with this coin. I love 700% increases. So going over, the next thing, it says about ICO. So we click it, and it kind of moves up. It says, the idea, why choose Hamster Coin? The transparency in the community. So first of all, talking about the transparency, it says Hamster Coin is a decentralized and supported by the community of enthusiasts. We encourage consistency of communications and believe trust, transparency, and community are all 3 pillars to build professional success. So transparency is important. community. Hamster Coin is one of the fastest growing and most loved communities in crypto. We believe that only united we are strong. Community is everything, and Hamster Coin strives to promote unity within the team. So that's pretty strong. Longevity. Hamster Coin is in for the long haul. The decentralized community is fostering and adopting long-term developments and efforts which will be consistently beneficial to all that are involved. And then one of the most important, trust. For success in business, trust is paramount. That means full transparency, not only in the community and development, but in the securities and efforts. So those are the 4 things that they're what they stand by. The ecosystem, tokenomics, 4% of the Bitcoins is the residual distributed to the holders. So 4% is going to go to the holders. 4% is used to fuel the liquidity pool exchange growth rate. 4% is allocated to buyback in the market wallets. And also note, in order to receive rewards, they must have this many tokens in your wallet, which is not going to be hard based on that price right there. So far, everything about this sounds pretty good to me. Again, cryptocurrency, everybody wishes they would have got into Bitcoin when it came around years and years and years and years ago. Everybody wished they would have got into Dogecoin when there's all these zeros in between before it reached a penny. This has got 8 different zeros in between before. Okay, so we're going to crush zeros just like we're doing at the Shiba Inu. So this website's pretty good. This could definitely be a coin that you want to keep your eye on. I do know that you have to basically buy from PancakeSwap. You're going to have to swap it out to get your Hamster Coin, Hamster Crypto. Click on the roadmap here, roadmap to 2021. They have their strategies and their project plan. Their first quarter, they actually have it laid out. Their second quarter, they have it laid out. I'm not going to go through everything. Their second quarter, second step, PancakeSwap listing, coin market cap to be listed, CoinGecko to be listed. These are things that have already happened, which are pretty awesome. They talk about their third quarter. Building the Hamster economic system included building a core team, website design, starting the Hamster Coin version, pre-listing the supply. Pretty strategic things. Quarter number 3, the audit, advertisement. In the fourth quarter, listing of Ham at the first major exchange, Hamster Swap. Boom. And guess what? There's a big surprise. And I like to be in these kind of things, paying attention 3 or 4 months before this happens. So you know what? We're all in a good place right now talking about the Hamster Coin, Hamster cryptocurrency. What exchanges? Well, exchanges which stock market is listed on. So, here we go. PancakeSwap, CoinTiger, XT.com, Hotbit, MDEX.com. So here's some of the exchanges that you can actually get your PancakeSwap. So whichever one of these are your most favorite. Also, in the news, so the media in the news with Hamster Coin press reviews from all over the world. There's their Twitter account. Things are going on there. Elon Musk is talking about Hamster. Take a look at this. Elon Musk, Hamster has mad skills. Don't you just love it when Elon Musk is just totally supporting your coin? Hamster Coin increases in value by 500% after a simple comment by Elon Musk. Yeah, he kind of likes it. Take a look at him there. You got to love him. But that's another big thing. So they have their Twitter account. So you know what? A lot of good things going on with Hamster. Normally I give you a prediction. Normally I give you a prediction. Here's my prediction. There's 8 zeros. Get ready to watch one of these zeros go down. Get ready to watch another zero go down. We're definitely going to be digging into this coin for sure. Elon Musk is talking about it and tweeting about it. And all of a sudden there's over 700% increase in the last 7 days. And then there's an article talking about 500% increase just because of a tweet. Yeah, I'm just super awesome to be knowing about this coin and talking about this coin. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Again, tonight it's going to be Monday Night Football. And you know what's going to be going on? Tom Brady's going to be talking about how he's getting into cryptocurrency. AMP is making it possible. Shiba Inu is making it possible. Hamster Coin now, cryptocurrency, paying attention to that. So do me a favor, drop in the like button, what you like about the channel, what you want to hear about. Every day we bring you our videos Monday through Friday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays we bring it to you around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share the video with your friends. Hamster Coin, I'm pretty excited about this. So we're going to be talking about this. Let's go ahead and talk about some hamster.